Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I'm here at Dollar General. It is Sunday, April 14th, and I am here making a video with the new Dollar General digital coupons that were just brought out on the app. So make sure that you have your Dollar General app downloaded so that we can go ahead and take advantage of the savings. Guys, there's going to be a bunch of glitches in this video, so if I were you, I would take my notes and head on out to the store as you're taking the notes or the screenshots, because you never know when these glitches are going to end. Okay, so let's jump right into the deal and hit that subscription button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'm trying to get to 15,000 subscribers, guys, but I need your help, and my goal is actually July 1st. So I know you guys can get me there. So the first deal that we're going to grab is going to be on this Tresemme shampoo or conditioner. You can get either one. It doesn't matter which one you get. They are located in the travel section, and they are $1.75. Now, the reason I say it's a glitch is because we have this $1 digital coupon that is attaching. It doesn't expire until 5/4, but you guys want to take advantage of it now because they may not have it attaching by next week before it expires. So take advantage of it while it's attaching now. And you see it says excludes trial and travel. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab one of these. I'm actually going to grab the shampoo, and I'm going to pay 75 cents for this. Okay, the next item that I'm going to grab is going to be these Skin Tint razors. They are $6.75. I'm specifically getting the purple ones. Now, guys, this isn't a glitch. This is just a regular good deal. So they are regularly $6.75, but we have this $4 digital coupon that's attaching. So that will bring that down to just $2.75. Guys, I remember these used to be like $3.99 like before the pandemic, so they have gone up tremendously. So that's why I think this is a great deal. So go ahead and get those if you have the coupon. Now, just to let you guys know, this one, the turquoise one, which is the sensitive, is $6.50. And as you see, this coupon does attach to that also. I just prefer the purple one because I love that scent. I don't know how this smells, but it is the sensitive kind. And either way, you still get 4. It's just that if you get this one, you're only going to pay $2.50, whereas if you get the purple one, you're going to pay $2.75. All right, the next deal we're going to do is going to be on this Caress soap, and we're going to grab 2 of the 3 packs. When you scan them in the app, they're going to come up $3.75. So grabbing 2 of them is going to bring our total to $7.50. But guys, guess what? When you scan it into the app, you have these 2 digital coupons that will come up. The one is save $1 on any Caress product. That is a Dollar General coupon. And how do you know? Because it says Dollar General at the top. The second coupon is save $3 on any 2 Caress soaps, and that is a manufacturer coupon, and we know that because it says Caress on it and not Dollar General. For those of you that are wondering, because a lot of people get confused and they say, well, you can only use 1 coupon on every product. You can combine a store coupon and a manufacturer coupon together. So that's why we're going to use these 2. So it's going to be a total of $7.50, but with our 2 coupons, we're getting $4 off. So then we're just going to pay $3.50 for 2 packs of this Caress soap. I think that is an excellent deal. Now, my store does not have this, guys, but if your store has the travel size Caress, you want to grab that because the $1 digital coupon. This coupon does attach to the travel size. So then I think the travel sizes are like $1.50. So you'll be paying 50 cents for the travel size ones. My store doesn't have them, or they're all sold out rather. Okay guys, so I saved my favorite deal for last. So you guys know how I love my laundry detergent. And this week, Dollar General gave us a 5 off of $15 coupon for laundry detergent. It is when you spend $15 on any All, Snuggle, Purex Crystals, Persil products, you automatically get $5 off, okay? So there are a number of items that are included in this deal, and I'll just kind of like scroll through them so that you can see all the different items that are included. But I'm going to do the deal that's best for me, and then you'll have to do the deal which is best for you. So you'll have to adjust your math, and you'll have to make sure that you scan the products just to be sure that they are attaching, okay? So the first item that I'm actually going to grab is going to be some Persil. And actually, I'm going to do an all Persil haul. So I'm going to grab the large Persil. Now, they are $10. They're regularly $10.95. But this week, they are on sale for $9.95. Okay? But when you scan it into the app, you see it does attach to the 5 off 15. But guys, look, this is a glitch. So it also attaches to a digital manufacturer coupon and a cash back. Now you might say, well, why is this a glitch? Because you are not supposed to be able to get the cash back and the manufacturer coupon at one time. The 5 off of 15 is a store coupon, so that's okay. You can combine a store coupon and a cash back. But a manufacturer coupon and a cash back, you're not supposed to combine, but the system's glitching, so it's going to give you all three of these together. Guys, that's an amazing deal. So I'm going to grab that Purex. So we're going to get a total of $4.50 off of that big Purex alone, okay? $4.50 off of the $9.95. Plus, we're going to get our total up to $15 so we can save that extra $5. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put this one in the cart. And then I'm going to grab one of the smaller Purexes. Because remember I said I'm going to do it all. I keep saying Purex eyes. I mean to say Persil. I'm going to do an all Persil deal, okay? So I'm going to grab the small Persil. Now, these are regularly $5.95, but they're on sale also. They're on sale for $5.50. And you see I scanned it. You see the $5 off 15 does attach. And then there's also a cash back of $1.25 on this one. So this one does not have a manufacturer coupon. It just has the cash back, which is fine with me. So I'm going to grab that. So when you add the $5.50 and the $9.50, you see that we are well over our $15 threshold in order to save that $5 off instantly. So then we will get the cash back after, a few minutes after we pay. Okay, guys, so this is everything that we're going to get today. The large Persil, the small Persil, the razors, the Caress soap, and the Tresemme shampoo. So let's head up to the register and let's see what our out-of-pocket is. Okay, guys, so I'm back in the car and ready to go over the receipt. Everything did not go as planned, but it's okay. We still got a good deal. So here you see I got the Persil, the small Persil for $5.50. You'll see the store discount of $2.04. That is going to be the $5 off for spending $15, and you'll see that the balance on the next Persil. Then you see the large Persil that I got for $9.95. The store discount of $2.96. You add $2.96 and $2.04 together, that gives you the $5. The $2 digital coupon came off for the Persil, the large one. There's the Skintimate razors for $6.75. You see the $4 digital coupon came off of that. The Caress soap for $3.75 each. I got 2 of them, so that's $7.50 off. And then the $3 digital coupon came off, and the $1 store discount came off. There's the Tresemme shampoo travel size for $1.75. You see the store discount of $1 came off of that, so there is that glitch confirmed on that travel size. So my total out of pocket was $15.45. You guys know we're not going to discuss tax because everyone's tax is different in every city, state, and borough. So I saved $16, but then this is where we ran into a little snafu because my cashback glitch did not work on the big Persil. I only got the cash back for the small Persil. So here's my receipt. There you see my total. And you see I got $1.25 cash back. And that was for the small Persil. So the glitch is not working on the big Persil. And again, just as a reminder, you do have to go to an old system store in order for the cash back and manufacturer coupons to combine. And glitch together. I was at an old store, but it didn't work. So they don't always work. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But mine did not work. But guys, I still think it's a good deal because it's like paying for both of the Persils and getting the razors, the soap, and the shampoo for free. So let me know what you end up doing, and don't forget, give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, family, co-workers, church members, neighbors, and until the next time, keep on saving.